So hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. So today in this video I will teach you how to fix Instagram error problem. So if you really don't know, I will teach you now. So guys, at first you have to go in settings. So after going in settings, you have to search for additional settings. After going additional settings, you have to go in date and time. So make sure that your network provider time is on, not off. So guys, after going there, come back and search for app management. Here I click, and here in the first you can see this app list. So in this app list, come and scroll down. You have to search for Instagram. So here I got Instagram, and so guys, you can see this force stop. You have to click in this force stop and come in the storage uses. So you have to clear these caches, and clear data, and come in the permissions ones, and in the storage make sure that your app should be allow, not Danny allow. So after coming here, come back once, and guys, you have to do these last things. Is that this is you have to turn on once, again you have to put it off. So now you can check whether your Instagram is ready or not. Okay guys, so here is the video. So thanks for watching this video.